Since Okpebholo had constructed this road had never received tide.
Since Okpebholo time?
Yes.
The road come bad.
What?
The road be bad.
Very, very bad.
Talk less and act more.
Just more.
He doesn't make noise. That man is the kind of governor we need. The kind of governor, not just noise-making governor. There's an adage in Benin, I'm a typical Benin man. Isagodo na masameji wa fiemi o gbogbo na sameji wa fiemi o nwa. But that means a container that have content never make noise. That is whom I see him. He have content in him, so he doesn't make noise. We give kudos to him.
Thank you. Never expected the governor to be this good towards this construction. No, for real. Yeah. So far, politically, constructionally, he has done well. He has done well, and I would say thank you, Mr. Governor, on behalf of mechanical communities, environment, power line, Umo, and all. We say thank you, Mr. Governor. God bless you.
Right here, we are in Egor local government in Benin City. Egor local government is in Benin City, Edo South Senatorial District. On this road, this is mechanic road. This is called mechanic road. This road is linking to Upper Irunse. This road is Upper Irunse in Egor local government area. It is called mechanic road. This is what you have. This is the main road. This is the main road. This is what the governor is doing. Like we told you, the signature of Okpebholo's work is drainage on both sides. You can see the quality drainage on both sides. Look at it. Look at the quality drainage on both sides. They are happy. And their road is being constructed. Look at them. They are very happy. Look at them. They are very happy. That their road. Talk to them. You are happy?
Yes.
That the governor is doing the road?
Yes.
How the road be before?
It's totally worst. My house is inside. Yeah. Because of the road, they always go that side again. All that one will here by here.
What is the name of this place?
Mechanic road.
Mechanic road. Where your side is?
My house dey one side.
One side?
Yes, Egor road.
They do them now?
Yes, they do them. They don't degrade and they go now. They do the cut side they go. Governor, we really appreciate it. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
I told you if it is not your turn today, it will be your turn tomorrow. If the governor has not come to your side to work on your side, the governor will surely come. Madam, you are very happy that the governor is doing it. You are very happy. Look at her. She's very happy that the governor is doing it. What you go tell governor now? Look at her. She said she's very happy that the governor is doing it.
I'm very happy. You don't try for this mechanic road.
Governor, don't try.
You try well.
Wonderful. How did you do before?
You try because mechanic road, you don't know that they do it. Now this one, like winner.
Oh, then they do it before, it's not the work.
You know the work. Now this one can't be happy. Don't try. My God will bless that God.
How did the road be before?
The road not good though. Not good. Now you don't even take this road so many years. This one I can't walk fast. My God will bless that government.
How about you, sir? Fine, sir. Well done. You live around here?
Yes, I use bike.
Oh, you use bike to work here? Wonderful. How was this road before?
Before now, the tug of war.
Oh.
The tug of war. There's water. There's water everywhere. You cannot even apply the road. As a bike man, if you apply 2 days, the other day workshop because of the erosion in the road. But we are grateful now. We are happy that the road they have been fixed already.
Yes.
The only thing I want to appeal now, they should come and pull experts so that before the rain will set in, so that the efforts done so far will not be lavished by the raining season. So that's what I will appeal. I will thank the government to help us for now, so that all the efforts they are seeing now will not become the effort, useless effort. So that's what I offer people. They are enjoying it now.
Wonderful.
So I pray they come and do the work today with us.
When the road reach, from where we dey now?
Yeah, this is Buka S. Upper Slope Road.
Upper Slope Road.
Yes.
Buka S.
Yes.
Upper Slope Road. Where it reach?
Mechanic Road. Yes. Going straight to Upper yes. That is destination according to their destination is Upper
That's right. Now which area be that one?
I want to Busai. I want to Busai. But all the same, they are still under Egor local government.
Wonderful. I told you guys Edo State is a construction site. Now look at it. We are here on Mechanic Road. Mechanic Road that the governor is doing. Every place you go is a construction site. Look at one, come in, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at that one. Did you see the quality work? Did you see the quality drainage? It is quality drainage. Look, this is one of the residents. It's a landlord there. Look at the house, look at the house, look at the family, look at the madam there. How was this road before?
Since Okpebholo had constructed this road had never received tile.
Since Okpebholo time?
Yes.
The road come bad.
What?
The road be bad.
Very, very bad. It was not even motorable.
Bike they pass.
Back they pass.
They manage.
It dey manage.
Flood don't take over everywhere.
Everywhere.
Flood.
Yes.
Who can they do am now?
Our governor, our able governor, Okpebholo, the governor of Edo State, the Messiah of Edo State.
Now Messiah.
He's a Messiah that know what is paying us.
Yeah.
That is here. We thank him. We greatly thank him. Even more especially as we remember this mechanic road. Even me myself, I was among of the mechanic in this workshop before. This workshop was created 1984.
Mechanic workshop.
Yeah. No, this workshop here is the workshop that they give us this name.
Okay.
That's where they put all this instruments. So, 1984. Only the government of the mechanic last only 1 year. So we were here. It was in the bush. So we thank Okpebholo, the governor of Edo State. God has given the talent and wisdom to remember us. That God will remember him to enter into presidency.
Amen, amen, amen. And this is another resident in this place, in Mechanic Road. This is another resident. How was the road before?
The road was very bad, and we are grateful for the progress so far as regards the road.
There's progress already?
Yes, and it's even fast.
It's even fast?
The previous contractors, they collected the road from them and gave it to these new people. And these new people, they've been working assiduously to see the road move. And it's been, the road is long.
The road is long?
Yes. When I passed through Umo community across the road at the other side, I was shocked to even see that the way they are doing this side.
They are also there too.
Yeah.
They are everywhere.
Yeah. They don't reach 5%.
They don't reach there.
Yeah.
Oh, they collected from one contractor before.
Yes.
Because no serious. Another one where they give nine serious.
Even that contractor na PDP before. This one na APC. we know the difference there. Yes. PDP and APC, they are different.
They're only party.
Yeah. We APC come now, we can't see wetin dem dey do now. The governor is they do well.
Actually,
we don't feel happy. Now even the road that they rush and they do like say tomorrow not day.
Actually, I truly never expected the governor to be this good towards this construction. No, for real. So far, politically, constructionally, he has done well. He has done well, and I would say thank you, Mr. Governor, on behalf of mechanical communities, environment, power line, Umo, and all. We say thank you, Mr. Governor. God bless you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I thank the governor, Governor Okpebholo. We thank you very well. We do well. We are enjoying. But even community now, the community where they go now, this 7 community or 8 community.
For here?
For here, not be one community.
Is it 7 community?
Yeah, not be the name. Umo, Ipia,
Egor.
Okay, no, it's not for Egor. It's not for Egor. I don't miss out. It's not for Egor. Umo, Ipia, Igwikpe, Iwodaro, Okpebholo, Ewotubu. Almost 8 community self.
8 community?
Yes.
This guy, Ariakpa Komisa.
The guy try.
Governor, thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Tirelessly.
Why we appreciate the governor? I'm the commander in mechanic road. So he done very good job for it. Because far back, here is bush. We hold a criminal enough. So now we have a rest of mind because of the road. So everybody will patrol the whole road when he have to patrol to camp the area, cooler camp. So I appreciate him. I believe say the next election he will try. Thank you, sir. So we can vote for him.
And just like Oliver Twist.
I want to appreciate His Excellency, the governor of our state. I'm a bishop by the grace of God. My church in this road also. Many years back, I was thinking, Lord, I want to tie this road. How are you going to help me? But this project is too big. I can't do it. Gaining access to my ministry is somehow. But God sent Governor Monday, but he's really at Bakumiza. He came to Bako the road for us. He's a national governor. He's a national governor. We pray God help him and bless him more. Give him more wisdom to maintain the state for us. And if we want to vote again, we need him again. We need that back.
We need that back. We in the mechanic room. We need him very soon. No, when you talk like that, you know they work with tech.
Hello.
That's why we
he talk less and act more.
Does more.
He doesn't make noise. That man is the kind of governor we need. The kind of governor, not just noise-making governor. There's an adage in Benin, I'm a typical Benin man. Izagodo na masameji wa fiemi o gbogbo na sameji wa fiemi o nwakudu. But that means a container that have content never make noise. That is whom I see him. He have content in him, so he doesn't make noise. We give kudos to him. God bless you.